Gazebo to concrete can be a necessary step to ensure that your gazebo is secure and stable, especially if you live in an area with strong winds or inclement weather. If you find yourself in this situation, don't worry. In this video, we will explore some of these options and provide step-by-step instructions on how to anchor a gazebo to concrete without drilling. There are several methods that you can use to anchor a gazebo to concrete without drilling. Here are some options to consider. Option 1. Use weights or sandbags. One option is to use weights or sandbags to anchor the gazebo to the concrete. To do this, place the weights or sandbags around the base of the gazebo, using bungee cords or ropes to hold them in place. Option 2. Use a base plate. Another option is to use a base plate to anchor the gazebo to the concrete. A base plate is a flat, sturdy surface that can be placed under the gazebo to provide a stable foundation. To use a base plate, attach the base plate to the gazebo using bolts or screws, or according to the instructions provided with the base plate. Option 3. Use adhesive or epoxy. You can also use adhesive or epoxy to secure the gazebo to the concrete. To do this, apply the adhesive or epoxy to the bottom of the gazebo and to the concrete surface using a caulking gun or spatula. Option 4. Use ground stakes or ground anchors. Another option is to use ground stakes or ground anchors to anchor the gazebo to the concrete. To do this, place the ground stakes or anchors around the base of the gazebo and drive them into the ground using a hammer or a power drill. Overall, there are several effective methods that you can use to anchor a gazebo to concrete without drilling. Consider the specific needs and circumstances of your gazebo when choosing the best method for your needs. Be sure to like or subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.